Hi there, my name is Michael. I'm a solutions engineer at Medallia, and I'm here to show you a bit about how root cause assist can help you get higher quality, consistent analysis in just a click. With root cause assist, you can put an end to the guesswork and go from insight to action faster than ever before. And it's tied right into how your team works. So, need insights tailored by role? Done. Need to standardize how you investigate performance across the org? Easy. Root cause assist lets your team go from what's happening to here's what we're doing about it in record time. So let's take a look at how generative AI can take the heavy lifting out of analysis. You'll learn how to streamline root cause workflows, spotlight actionable recommendations fast, and summarize key insights without the noise. We'll also see how to move from insight to action in record time and how to standardize that process across teams with tailored role-based views. All right, you ready to see it? Let's go. To start off, I'm going to log in as Taylor, a regional manager at Diamond Co. Bank. Now, Taylor's what you call a go-getter. So when a notification from Medallia pops up on her phone about teller wait times majorly impacting branch experience, she wastes no time opening it up. A quick look at the most impactful topics shows that wait time is talked about so negatively that it's bringing down the main score by more than 3 points. Taylor's thinking a recent branch closure probably drove more customers than expected to the remaining branches, spiking the wait time. Typically, Taylor would have to do her own investigative work, clicking through dashboards to gather the facts and figure out a fix. But when she wants answers fast, she clicks directly on the topic to let Root Cause Assist do the digging for her. This launches a GenAI workflow that'll answer the preset question of what is the root cause for the module she's clicking into. So for this one, it's what is the root cause of this topic? And sure, Taylor's always been able to do her own root cause analysis in Medallia, but with GenAI pulling the data together, she can skip the fact-finding and get straight to taking action. And just like that, Root Cause Assist combs through relevant themes, customer segments, business units, and thousands of data points to show Taylor exactly what's contributing to the negativity around wait time. Looking through, Taylor spots some themes relating to long wait times, inefficient and insufficient staff, and AI's even pointed out that this topic is impacting full-service branches the most. For most people, this would be more than enough to work off of. But like I said before, Taylor's a go-getter. So she pulls back the curtain to see the data generating this answer. Reading through the AI-generated topic summary, Taylor's finally up to speed on the issue. So it's not surprising that perceptions of long wait times and insufficient staff go hand in hand. Longer operating hours don't seem to be doing the trick either. And this is interesting. Cleanliness is called out here, and that's kind of surprising to see in a topic about wait time. But what really sticks out to her is the average NPS. It's taken a dive of 60 points since last month. That's something she really needs to figure out. Getting quick answers on the phone is clutch in the moment, but now Taylor pulls up the same dashboard on her computer for a more thorough look. In this view, she can see right away that their region is in trouble. NPS and branch satisfaction are down, escalated alerts are up, and new accounts opened are way down. Remembering how wait times seem to cause a big drop in NPS, Taylor decides to use Root Cause Assist again, this time on the overall NPS, to see how much wait times may be contributing. Looking at this answer, Taylor sees that the negative feedback about teller wait times is in fact the main topic bringing NPS down. And since this Root Cause Assist is pulling in more data than her earlier look at that singular specific topic, now she's eager to see how the two differ. All right, big takeaway here. It looks like long wait times and staffing issues are dragging down NPS. But now she's curious about which branches might be pulling down the score, and if there are any specific customer segments that are being affected most. Sure enough, looks like customers trying to open new checking and credit accounts are very unhappy. Not ideal for customers just starting their journey with the bank. And given how badly the most important locations are doing, Taylor's got alarm bells going off in her mind. Time to get to the bottom of the wait time issue. So she clicks into the topic deep dive. Taylor recognizes this topic overview from her earlier digging on the phone, so she moves on to see what else she can uncover. A quick look at the impact this topic is having on Gen X, their target demo, is a not-so-subtle reminder that this needs fixing as soon as possible. Even the themes point at cleanliness. In themes, generative AI analyzes with a different model, but even that model points out the urgent need for cleanliness. Now that Taylor has seen all signs pointing in this direction, it's time to see what customers are actually saying. And the way Medallia lays these out is really priming Taylor for action. Text Analytics does the heavy lifting by highlighting suggestions inside the customer feedback, so Taylor can walk away with some very concrete ideas to implement stat. There's a great suggestion about self-service capabilities, which she could bring up on their next leadership call, and there are many customer comments about cleanliness again, hammering home the need to meet with custodial services to fix this customer perception. After some quick detective work with an incredibly thorough and intelligent assistant, Taylor's able to piece it all together. Seems like branch closures have brought higher traffic to the remaining locations, and those branches haven't been able to keep up with the influx of customers, in staffing, but also in cleanliness. Armed with metric trends and action steps taken straight from customers, now Taylor has a clear game plan to address these issues, and it's not just fixing a number, but actually driving loyalty from their most valuable customers at a time when it's most important for the bank. Getting to the root of issues that are impacting your business shouldn't require a complex degree or hours of data crunching. When you need to take action and save the day like Taylor, Medallia AI handles all the complexity and shortcuts the way to making meaningful change. And getting to that change faster is exactly what organizations have been loving about Root Cause Assist. One customer said that having insights available right in Root Cause Assist is absolutely critical and saves them tons of time. Another customer mentioned how it's become second nature to use Root Cause Assist. And it's amazing how organizations are getting to deep insights in just a couple of clicks. All right, that's a wrap on Root Cause Assist. Thanks for joining me for this walkthrough, and I'll see you in the next one.